Christ, come on, it's just too cold today for me. Right. And you can see it can go in at right angles,
Okay.
or it can go in at 45 degrees.
Right.
So, if this was burst up there, split up there, I would put that along the split, pull the trigger, let go. Oh, so let me go again. That's it. Just, oh, I've gone right through. Just let that harden. And cut that with it. And the crack is because it was zigzagged. It's glued together. It's now repaired.
Spot on.
No, that was my fault. Went through. I shouldn't have done that. That was my fault.